How's it, creatives? Today I'm going to show you how to choose fonts for your projects. Like in almost every single project, the thing that you must consider is your audience. Your typography you choose will communicate certain emotions and feelings to your audience. So it's crucial to have a clear idea of who your audience and target market is, and what you want them to feel, and what your designs need to look like. So let's consider these two options. Either you're designing for a law firm or you're designing for a preschool nursery. Consider the audience, as everything about design, including the font, should always align with your expectations. A preschool nursery's brand will always be very bright, colorful, playful, and with a lawyer's brand, it will be very professional, important, strong. When choosing fonts, think about three main categories: serif fonts, sans serif fonts, and script fonts. Serif fonts suggest tradition, history, reliability, and safety. Sans serif fonts are modern, contemporary, and clean. Script fonts has a sense of femininity, romance, grace, and elegance. Ensure that your chosen font resonates with the design and ultimately the audience. Instead of simply hopping onto your font library on your computer, you need to consider to take some time to brainstorm some ideas around the design and the message that you want to communicate. Consider the qualities and characteristics your brand and designs wants to communicate. This will provide a blueprint that you can make up with your font. Remember, every typeface has its own mood and personality, so it's essential to find one that aligns with your design's overall tone. Legibility is paramount. Poor kerning and an over-elaborate nature can hinder the readability of your typography. Always check your legibility of the font, as people need to be able to read the font, and that goes in conjunction with accessibility standards. Pairing fonts is a very handy skill that creates harmony, visual harmony. You can pair fonts with contrasting weights and styles, such as using a sans serif font for headings and serif fonts for the main body of text. Another effective approach is to pair two fonts from the same family, as they are designed to work well together. Remember these key points when selecting fonts for your next design project. If you want assistance in your branding or projects, please consider hiring us at vaca.com. As a graphic designer or fellow creative, you can boost your skills and awareness by subscribing to us. We'll be trying to do more videos like this more consistently, so keep an eye out. If you find this content useful, be sure to give us a like and subscribe, and consider sharing this on social media. Until next time, peace out.